guys, I am Ritvika and today we are going to be making DIY water candles at home. You can make this with basic materials that are available at home. So first you can take any glass that is transparent. Then you can use any materials. I am using shells because I have a lot of them. I have added it to my glass. I am going to take another glass. In it I am going to be adding some beads. I have added beads. Let's take another glass. In this, I'm going to be adding these artificial pine cones and flowers. First, let's add the pine cones. Added the pine cones, and now let's top it up with the flowers. Like that. Now I'm going to take another glass. In it, I'm going to be adding another of these artificial flowers. Added that like that. Okay, now let's pour water in them. Make sure you don't fill it till the top so that you have enough space for the oil. Gonna add water in the beads. That should be enough. I've added water to all 4 of them. Now we are going to take 3 more glasses in which we are going to add water as well. I've added water to all 3 of them. Time to add glitter. I have 3 colors of glitter: orange, green and golden. So let's start with green. First I'm gonna add some green to one of these glasses. Now I'm gonna add orange to another of them. And at last the golden color. Now I will mix them. Now I've mixed them and they look so pretty. Let's keep them aside. Now you could use any plastic sheet like this. It is available in a lot of stationery shops as well. We are gonna cut circles out of it. Almost done cutting it. Okay, now I've cut the circle out. Now we have to fold this like this. And then another. After that, as you can see this sharp edge over here, we have to cut that out. Like that. And when you open it, you have a hole in between. Now we have to take a wick and add it. There you go. I've made all of them out. I am using mustard oil for this. You could use any oil that you want for these diyas. Let's start pouring them. The more oil you pour, the more longer your diya will last. I'm adding them gonna pour oil in the glasses with glitter. Now as you can see, I've added oil to all of them. Now let's add this plastic sheet with wick on it. I've added them to all of them, as you can see. How beautiful they look! Wow! Now let's light it up with the matchstick. Wow! Look how beautiful they turned out. Make sure you try this out for this year's Diwali and enjoy with your family and friends. Happy Diwali to everyone.